Every day, we use our eyes to understand the world around us. It's so natural and effortless that we don't even think about it. Unfortunately, our devices today lack the ability to sense our attention. Eye tracking will change that. Eye tracking will enable you to interact with devices in ways you only dreamed was possible. My name is Sune. I'm CEO and co-founder of the Danish startup called the iDrive. We've developed a software that enables you to control the device with the eyes only. We're a bunch of specialists that has come from the leading research group in the world in low-cost eye tracking. So imagine pulling out your smartphone of your pocket, looking at it in a particular pattern, and it would magically and securely log you in. Or how about when you read on an e-book, and it would automatically turn to the next page because it knows exactly when you finished reading that page. Whether you're disabled and really has no option to use your arms or hands, or whether you're just sitting at home playing the guitar, we provide hands-free interaction. You can even play a game with the eyes. Like fighter pilots and planes, you can aim and shoot with the eyes. We didn't invent eye tracking. Eye tracking has been around for years, but it hasn't never been available for the consumer markets. And that's because it has been extremely expensive, costing tens of thousands of dollars for one device. And then, as you can see, pretty bulky equipment. We wanted to change that. This is the iDrive Tracker. This is the world's first affordable, truly affordable eye tracking device. The secret sauce here is actually not the hardware. It's the fact that our software can do accurate eye tracking with a single low-cost infrared camera. With this, we can bring eye tracking, eye control, to the consumer markets for the very first time. This device contains only components for a few dollars. This makes it easy to integrate into the next generation of smartphones and tablets. And we already have a partnership with Sony Mobile. If you're a developer, you can even get started today. This is our development kit. It comes with a full SDK. You can order it online on our webpage. And then you can start enabling eye control for applications and games, like the thousands of developers out there that already has our device since we started shipping a couple of months ago. Now, how does this work? Well, our device projects infrared light that your eyes then reflect back. Our patent-pending technology then calculates where you look on the screen with the accuracy comparable to the size of your fingertip. As you can probably imagine, there are thousands of use cases for this technology, but there's one that's so important that we wanted to develop it ourselves. Since we already measured where you look on the screen, we also know what you see on the screen. Imagine how powerful and valuable this information is to marketeers or designers all around the world. Imagine if you're a designer sending out our devices to your users all around the world. We collect the data of where they're looking on the screen, send it to our cloud-based server, and they will then calculate a heat map, a so-called heat map for you, of where the users are looking. This provides valuable insight about what your users are seeing, and maybe most importantly, what they are not seeing. This provides a whole new level of detail to user analytics. This is what you see is what you get. And that is what we call iProof. And it launched today at South by Southwest. In the future, our technology will be integrated seamlessly into smartphones and tablets. But it doesn't stop there. We believe that eye tracking technology will affect the industry in the same way we've seen touchscreens do the last couple of years. This will be integrated into cars, medical devices, TVs, even glasses. Join the iDrive at theiDrive.com and sign up to get your own device, or sign up for the iProof beta today. Thank you very much.
Could you tell us a little bit about the early days of your company? You spun out of a